I want to talk about bioenergetics. We know from physics that everything has a frequency, even emotions, even planet Earth, even the human body. With bioenergetics, we're able to assess the human body field and find out where those frequencies might be off. I had long-term problems with my teeth. I had dental abscesses that were undetected in my jaw for about 20 years as a result of dental malpractice, actually. I did everything I could to clean up the infection, but then my immune system was shot and I would catch every cold or sinus infection that came along. But when I found bioenergetics, I was better able to support my body's ability to heal, and my immune function is now working properly. As a bioenergetic practitioner, I had a client who was a young mother who could not gain weight. She was probably about 5'6" and only weighed about 92 pounds. No matter what she did, she couldn't gain weight. And she came to me and said, I just want to live. I want to be there for my children. So we did the scan. We identified some absorption issues, also some issues with grief over the death of a family member that was unresolved. After the first month on the protocol, she was so excited to tell me that she had gained 5 pounds in 1 month when nothing else worked. And she was also coping much better with the loss, the grief at the loss of a family member. I love the story about a young woman in her early 30s who had some unresolved trauma, emotional trauma. And after a few months on bioenergetic protocol, came to me and told me about how her relationship with her mom had improved, that there was more openness and trust and less defensiveness because she was able to discharge some of that negative energy from the past herself. I definitely recommend bioenergetics as a solution, especially when nothing else is working. We know that our body has a bioenergetic operating system that governs the biochemical reactions. We know that pharmaceuticals don't actually cure the root problem, but just help mask the symptoms. Even vitamins aren't always the issue and don't always solve the problems. But when you support your body's energetic operating system, you support your own body's ability to heal, and you can find solutions where nothing else worked.